Hi babes. Okay, so I just want to show you guys what I got from my Asian Japanese haul. Okay, I got some really cool things, some really interesting things, some things I never ate before. So it's gonna be a first for me. I'm pretty excited about it and I can't wait to show you. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so first things first, I got these little crabs, these little mini crabs. And let's see. Oh my god, it smells like spaghetti. Look at this. It's a mini crab. Okay, so this is how they look. Okay, so let's try it. Look at this. You can see his eyes. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh my god, that's disgusting. Okay, I can't do that. What baby?
Okay, so we have spicy tofu. Seafood just stinks in general. I don't know, seafood stinks in general, but this one tastes like, I don't know, some kind of food. This is not that bad, but it's not that bad, but I don't know. Now we have the Lay's crab. Look at this. The Lay's spicy crab. Let's open it up. Alright, so the spicy crab Lay's. Oh my god. Oh. Oh god. I thought I loved seafood. This is disgusting. Oh, disgusting. Okay, the crawfish. The crawfish Lay's. I think I'm gonna throw up after eating all this. Ugh. This is disgusting. Disgusting. Okay, so the Oreos. So here we have the Japanese Oreos. And the flavor is strawberry. Look how thin they are. They're like super, super thin. Look at that. Very, very thin. They taste like soap. Like Dove soap. Like sweet soap. They taste like soap. Like soap. Like soap you bathe with. Soap. Disgusting. And then I bought some of this Rampatamba. I don't know. And mangosteen. Oh my god. I got a mangosteen. I bought mangosteen and Rampatamba. Look at this. And a baby banana. I love mangosteen. Like the taste is just spectacular. It's like sweet but tangy. Like sweet but tangy, but look at this when you push it open. I got this. Look how beautiful this is. Exotic fruit. Like, Mother Nature is the best. Look at this. Amazing. Like, this is, like, I love this exotic fruit. It's like, sweet but tangy at the same time. It's just such a beautiful acquired taste. And this rambatamba, it's not lychee, it's rambatamba because it's like furry. And it's like you open it. It's hairy. Look at this. Oh my god. Amazing. And I got the baby bananas. These are real bananas. Not them big old bananas you buy in the store. Okay. Okay. And I bought some Japanese cotton candy. So it's okay. This is not that bad. This is not that bad. Very, very sweet. But it's not that bad. It tastes like Skittles. So in conclusion, all the snacks and stuff, the Japanese snacks, don't be nice. All the Japanese snacks were disgusting. I hated them. The crab, the tofu, the cookies, the Oreo cookies. It tastes like soap. Like, can you believe that? It tastes like soap. Soap you bathe with. Like, stop. I hate it. The only thing I like is the fruit. The only thing I like is the exotic fruit. The exotic fruit is the best. That's it. Everything else is disgusting. Let's have a seed. Everything is disgusting except the fruit. So, yeah. Head down to the Japanese Asian store. Try those and tell me what you think.